So this is a list of polyatomic ions that I use with my students quite frequently. And I like it because it splits them up. We have our -1 ions, -2, -3, and then we have positive ions up top, cations. And then they're in alphabetical order within each group. So that's really helpful. And your teacher may allow you to use a table of polyatomic ions like this on tests and quizzes. So that can be real useful. I would recommend, though, that you memorize 7 of these polyatomic ions, the really common ones. They look like this. So remember, our polyatomic ions have a positive or a negative charge, and they're made up of 2 or more atoms. Those atoms are usually nonmetals. So these are the 7 that I would remember here. The only positive one is the ammonium ion. Then you'll see the acetate, nitrate, hydroxide, carbonate, sulfate, and phosphate. You'll see these quite frequently. Remember that when we're talking about polyatomic ions, like the nitrate ion, for example, that the charge, the 1- here, that applies to the whole ion. So that negative charge, that goes to the whole ion here. So there's a link in the description of this video to this actual table here. It's a PDF form if you need that, or ask your teacher. They may well provide you with one of these. But even if they do give you one of these tables here, it's a really good idea to memorize these 7. That'll save you a lot of time on tests and quizzes. That means better grades. This is Dr. B looking at a list of polyatomic ions. Thanks for watching.